Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to delete your n8n account. If you've been searching for a way to remove your account from n8n and have found the process not as straightforward as you expected, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching to a different service or simply decluttering your online presence, we'll guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your n8n account. Let's dive right in. First, you might notice that when you log into your n8n account, there isn't an obvious button or option for account deletion. This can be a bit confusing and frustrating if you're looking to leave the platform. But don't worry, we have a clear path forward for you. Here's how you can proceed. 1. Access n8n support. Start by heading over to the n8n support page. This is where you will find the necessary contact details to initiate your account deletion process. You'll notice an email address provided for direct communication with their support team. 2. Composing your email. Now let's compose an email to request the deletion of your account. Open your email client and address a new message to the support email, which is help@n8n.io. Make sure your subject line clearly states your intention. Something like account deletion request should do the trick. 3. Writing your request. In the body of your email, keep it polite and straightforward. Here's a simple example you can follow. Good day, support team. I appreciate the service, but I've decided to move on to another platform. I would like to request the deletion of my n8n account, along with any data associated with it. Thank you for your assistance. 4. Sending your email. Once your email is ready, double-check for any typos or missing information, then hit send. After this, your part is done for now. The n8n support team should get back to you with a confirmation or further instructions. They are generally responsive and will handle your request promptly. And there you have it. Although the process involves a bit of back and forth, it's quite straightforward once you know where to start. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to delete your n8n account quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to delete your n8n account, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online. We're here to make navigating tech a breeze for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.